Twakutangirira eshahane z'Agacencwire ebiro by'ukwezi bya 30 okwezi no kwa munana omwaka 2025. Serena Nuwamanya ninyenda bine ngutwara mu Gacencwire agutwatebekanitsa omwebazi yogo ntakwakire mutwe y'amakuru kuturagaruce tuyije nago ombwejire.
Omugacencwire kireki abantu bari kurenga omutwaro gumwe bahebo bujanja bwa busha aha Mary Hill High School omurimbarra. Abaturo mu Kakumiro bakorese byagana nente nayikondo zikafo bwa rubanda na ruzije.
Anyamizi mabi nimo barihire bigwire byo munda mubareza taifu.
Hariho cy'urukwite by'inyanja mu nyanja ya Kitere omuri Bunyangabo abarukorese nyanja eji bashobeirwe.
Tamakezi zinobwire uburayika haba hikibiho zikagaruka hasi.
Amakuru ombwijire ntugumiza muna makuru enkuyanja y'abantu okurwa mbiceka bitari bimwe na bimwe bayeshika aha Kashozi Nyamitanga ahishomero rya Mary Hill High School okutunga obujanja bwabusha aba abantu baruga omu district zitarukushana ezirya hansi yambara archdiocese nebiceka ebindi omuchange cha Bugwizoba.
Ishabarisa wambara archdiocese His Grace Lambert Bainamugishan we yatongoza okujanja boku okutebekanisiwe Archdiocese of Mbara Development Association AMDA.
Abantu Silvas Gambirizi yoga okunda abantu humanity kandi inde umuranga abantu bamukama ninja barabwiwe ugato kumanya uyire uherezo uyire sente uyire kwato uyire umbasi nawe ubona bizire.
Aba bajanjabwa endwara zirimo shikari, pressure, okutebera kansa y'obushaija, eyanyenenda, eyamabere n'ezindi nyingi kandi abahebwe emibazi yabusha.
Abantu bamanye ngo eyo kumanywa kubazo marwaro kwekeza nangwa tukira mu kushimira washashe ahubwo yeka pressure yangi guto kujya sasibona kuyaho ne wasakira hansi bakubasiko
izo bakene abashabo abakene n'abantu all doctors laboratory nasa pharmacy in terms of expectation the ground is over.
Babembeza bahikamukorogu bashaba government okongera amani hombyo kujanja abanyayuganda bagumizengu hariyo benji abatsigarayo kandi abarkwetenga obujanja bi
wareba lines ukora lines izatandishira St. Aloysius zatandishira wa Radio Maria zikiza zije mtanga church zishoma herens mpako omere hiro ubwe abandi bashiyone bija nishikore ko busasi oburyo mbantu bitu baburijokwe konka batuyene bugenderaho
twatandika shayi 12 zakasheshe konkana hati line kandi ntusavinga buryomwe line zimugire mwe nanyenda kushaba ko mwebembe tukaboneka shija mvuzi ngwese nicereka kino rugendo umutereza obuhereza bwe by'amakara
konkana marwaro gitu nanga hona itukutungira obuhereza hakashasha kare harwara kugira ngo mukushasha kwaho amarwaro gitu migakizo bushasi abarwira abo tutekateka ngo bintu busasi nicyo kurebera inamba yisha nyamwingi kandi na hati ninyeguza ikintu tujumara heri izoba
hariho abatungo bujanjabi habutwagambaho nabo kandi abazima amda abwentebe kanseje
obujanjabi obunyona busima bwaba bulungi bwayamba abanyayuganda nangwa bingi sindi nyowe nkomuntu
nibakwenda
aba amda kugira ngo umwana wanje okwiyabera zire bakamushemeza
oze umurapa ibakucebera
okujanjabira busha abantu nemwe ha programmes amda heteireho umwaka ogu obwo bari kwetebekanisiza omukoro rwogoma ogwo ruzinduko orurahendere no kushabiza obyanyenca kare okujanjaba oku kajire TV West hamwe na Radio West gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo
webade Abdukarim Sengendo ibura ry'amizo mugombore ya Tsita mu district ya Kakumiro ryerarikirize abatura mu Kakumiro district obwa hati abantu bagira ngo amiza go barukozesa babagane byagana hamwe nente ekinde kiri kubasa kuretaho endwara
omucyange cya Bunyoro oburuga bw'amizi nayikondo na za taps konko mugombore ya Kasita ibura ry'amizi n'enshonga nkuru bwanyuma ya nayikondo n'obundi burugwa bw'amizi okoma kandi hatabatura nibarwande byagana nente
batuyambe ng'abakulembeze kutusemberezaako kalenga butapu obwo nabo buba butukolera kuba amazzi gali wala omwana omutuma okuva ku saawa emu saawa 7 ali ku nayikondo
okutabona amizi fast ekyo n'ekintu kibi munonga kwani kimujema kuza kunywa amizi mabi kwanya amizi mabi nimwo barihire bibwire byo munda nimwo bariheza taifu nimwo barihire mishijo kwato kanya amizi nente zamara kugaragura emishungu zimwe zazahigwa wataye imishunu okanya imishunu anyway arimo no kufa
naho kudandaruga harenda amizi nagiya hari kana gwe bumwendisha cyangwa ni impango bumwe turashanga hivi niko kuteganishwa kutwina jeje nayikondo
no bamwe ahabatura barukosa amizi ga dams na goti garukumara kandi bakama ba dams na munonga balisa nibaburaho kweshara ombwire bwe cyanda
ubundi umwana na yambuko mu LC yakuriye ya Runyanja agenda leta y'amayizi ago kunywa umwe yashangara iniri kampango ateyine ho kuraba tukoze saga genyinyaga ubundi tugateka konka ino bukushanga ngo gatekerega hoyireho
amizi tunayikondemo hati ko muri ubwo tunayikondemo iri muri cyakaperebi erata hose LC ina muno muri kizibu kitwa bugana n'cyabana abana barazeho umugore washaye kimwe ngo barwe ishomero bazeyo bwari impango basibeyo hishaha itanu z'icyo nizo baraborogira
ahabwe shongeji haruho abazira bari kugira ngo abana babo babahambere obwo barukuruga konera mizi
so twine kizibu cy'amizi kandi na muno twine mu kisita sub county twine na mizi gensheke tigarimo abo kugira ngo titukagafunira kutwaraza hamwe mwenu kandi tugerezeho okukuratereza ahabwenca mizago mu kisita sub county gatakubasa kubamo bitu batugira ngo nibaza kubana bagareta
chairman CCD tukayimugambara bimanyaho bye shonga yamizi nengudo konkahabwa sabuka ntiri kuba nsyaka atugambira ngo ibintu byari bisyaka kandi araza kubikora konga aba MP tubaratufuka
abebembeze nbenda government abahwere ebakora oburugwa bw'amizi garukumara
government yitu ya NRM iki kintu ecyanguse munonga abana bitu bari kwitwa typhoid mushijo ngeno twino buzibu obwamani ndashaba government yitu ya NRM ubukitinisa president Museveni ndakushaba otuyambe Kakumiro district tukozireki turi kubi nadara omusabu county ya Kisita
gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
Bebare Thomas tumwebaze abebembezi n'abatura ku rugo mu town kanse ya Kachinga mu district ya Bunyangabundu bagira ngo bashobangirirwe bwanyuma y'ebyenyanja umunyanje ya Kitere okufa bekahwamu abatura n'abebembezi bagira ngo gutuma urundu rwo kubanza ebyenyanje birukufa
okuregera abatura ebyenyanja bibasa kuba nibyitwa empinda hinduka y'obwire.
Esamaki ezi zino bwire oburayika habaho ekibiiho zikagaruka hasi umushana gwaja ekika kikazimusa zikaza higuru hagati y'umwaka n'emyaka 2 ninga 3 hati nko buhire zikazibireho bazihamu tizakora infection yo kugira ngo abantu barwara.
Tamati zirugire hasi zajumbuka zaza higuru abana bazikwata mukazi umwe narongo akisha yazirati yakwata esamaki yata ija mukasheshe ijaho mushoyi ija yazikwata mukatimba yata.
Remigius Toria habwe meya wa Kacinga Town Council ayirekera kwatwaho ahabwe cyogwerezeki.
It is true, I got information when I was here at the office that in Chitere Crater Lake fish was floating like nothing, and people were just picking fish using their hands without nets. We got concerned towards around 6 p.m. We tried to convince people not to eat the fish because we could not ascertain why they were floating.
Abarukujunanwe ibyo bijubi batwire sample zo macebero okurebe cy'urwite byenyanja mu nyanjeji.
Engaged the district fisheries office immediately. I called the district fisheries officer. So yesterday he came with his team and automatically more fish were floating. So what he did, he got the water samples of the crater lake and got fish, and as we talk now, we got some sample fish for testing.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi Omurubunyangabu.
Bebade Gilbert waza kumuraho tuje necweka ecya kabiri.
Okugaruka makaruru kishaza rya Rubabo muri Rukungiri district abaturano bagira ngo hari abatandikire kubatera inkoni.
Wayizire naza kuntera yanjye ati nuko atote cyane cya masiyasi kandi abarugonde nite turya.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Kurukubujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajweka abashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasate gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original shiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
everything could be end
Penkoni
yakwera utamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi Echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, echitoche, echozi, emoni, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa, nichigenderaho.
Hey! Manya bino buraro burungi bwo murembe. Aha bei nungi kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City, breakfast ne yabusha, bine rooms eziri self contained, DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe, pool table, sauna na steam bath, hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
wakoze samumu nubu inamani go kushashura ibishare byawe juba kandi hatari okuteganisibwa urikoze simu yawe yimata star emwe mukagitano star inahashi ninga shigo scanning code ku downloadinga momo app obase kushashura mizi amashanyarazi TV school fees nebindi byinji munonga chorobi kandi nikiyambo butashisha bwire iwe yahaye simu yawe woshashure ejo niyo momo amana garu kuretera kuciraho.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekolera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Otwiro inecyetengo ecyo korera heru konko inubwiremwa bwa sente. His recruitment experts abari kutwara banda heru korerayo. Bakuretura umuce gwabusha. Abusho nabishiki abimyaka 20 okisari 80 nibetingwa okorera cyenyonye Dubai Airport nka stewards, customer service, aviation workers, cleaners, security guards, check-in agents nendizo nyamwinji. Visa na air ticket nebyabusha otafirwa mu cyogo. Okwanditsa no kwabusha. Free registration. Interviews nizo kuba cheka Mbarara. Arwa mkaga ebiro 23 na Sunday 24 byo kwa mnanoku. Rero bakasese. Foot poto, chenjojo nemyanyeri hihi. Nebiro 26 hamwe na 27 byo kwezoku ari Bomber Grounds. Foot poto, shebiriza kasheshe. Esimu not mushanju ina not rukumi ninga not mushanju ina itani itano hamwe na not mushanju ina not emwe 2 3 4 5 mukaga.
Zemu namakuru obwo kutimba amashita omuri Thailand project omu district ya Burisa na Moya kuri kugenda omisho company ya Total Energies Uganda eyerekire emiringo yibatireho okureba ngo kutimba amashita tukwashisha byobuhangwa.
Echanga cha Albertine ni kimwe habicweka byo mutano munsi yona habwa biodiversity mu bito cyanga nico cyumwe kirimo kweyongera kw'emirimo etari yemwe nemwe nko kuhinga okosya amakara no kutimba amajuta byone birukureta ho kutina okwempinduka y'obwire no muryane gw'abantu n'enyamishwa.
As we carry out our mandate of conservation, the number of animals are also increasing, but also the communities are zeroing into the park. meaning that their interaction increases. You will find that what I would call the multiple-use zone around the park, the buffer zone of Maction Falls, is already habited by the community, whereby in these buffer zones, animals, wildlife used to feed beyond the park. Because you should remember that wildlife, animals, buffaloes, zebras, giraffes, and the elephants, they don't know your boundary. They know the tradition that they used to feed in all this. They call it a feeding range for them. And because communities have come into these formerly feeding ranges of the wildlife, the interaction starts there of humans and wildlife. And so doing, there is conflict.
Okurinda ebyobuhangwa ebi aba Total Energies EP Uganda abahirwa omurimo gw'okutimba amajuta gatiire nga project omu district ya Burisa na Nwoya bayoreka emiringo ei batiireho kurinda ebyobuhangwa hagati y'okutimba amajuta n'okutereeza habe bamazire okukora.
Ku job 2 twaliwo mu myaka egy'emabega okuva mu 2012 paka from 2012 to 2014. Kati bwe twamaliza okukola bye twali tukola mweje emyaka bye twali tukola twali tugezaako okulaba twali tutegedde nti Uganda erina amafuta. Kati bwebeera n'amafuta olina mafuta genkanawa mangi malungi type ki wetaaga ki okugajjayo mu ground. Kati bwe twabimaliriza ebyo byonna ne tuba nga tulina okukola ki okuddawo okukavaringa eno area tugezeko ennyo okulaba nti efaanana nga bwe twagisanga.
Owa Corporate Affairs nagira ngu emitero kurenga emitwaro 14 y'obuzarranwa ebyirwe omu itaka ly'orweteerane ririkusya hectares 261 omu bicweka bya Binene ez'omu district ya Masindi okwenda kugarraho obusya bibiri byabiire byatemirwe omu ruhanda rw'empundu orwa Budongo Bugoma.
Emiti tekukoma kugigaba kyokka mu communities naye tulina abantu betwalonda betukolagana nabo bali mu groups baziyita community land associations. Associations zino tuzisomeseza okuba nti zisobola okulabirira egyo emiti ne gituyambako okulaba nti emiti gino tegifa kubanga abantu abasinga basimba emiti mugenda okuddayo nga temujjukira nawe mwagiteeka.
Omu nteekateeka ya biodiversity babangwire n'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority okurinda ebintu ebirikutuura omu irindiro ry'enyamaishwa erya Murchison Falls National Park eririho obuhango bwa square kilomita 3,898.
Nkusiima kitongole kya Total Energies abo obuyambi bubahaire mu kukozesa kukendeeza ebizibu biba nibisumbwa ebisolo byaitu hano mu Murchison Falls protected area. Batuyambire kuyamu ewaya eziteeka bamu abahigi, batuyambire kusomesa abaikaze mu kyaro omugaso gw'epaaka n'obulungi bwa paaka n'ebibi yokuhiga ebisolo. Batuyambire kukola ekihandiiko ekikuja kuba nikituyamba mu kumaraho enganaana zikuleeta ebisolo kulya ebyokulya by'abantu omu byaro nk'enjojo ziganzira ebyokulya by'abantu, embogo ziganzira ebyokulya by'abantu. Ekitabo kibakwetaga kibakweta mu Lujungu Human Wildlife Intervention Plan.
Babasize okurundana emitego y'ebyoma ebirikwita enyamaishwa erikurenga omu mitwaro 10 n'okukwata abahigi 10.
Total Energies also kituyamba mu Budongo kiba kya Budongo mu kukwata ababeni basara embaawo omihanda etaikire babeni bokya mu makara omihanda etaikire. Hati Budongo National Forest Authority ba staff abo kumanya bwire buno buko nendo kwata pocho genda nka wa makara buko kwata musazi wa makara omumuki wa makara musazi wemba okumusanga aka.
Total Energies is doing some great job, but still they need to do more. They need to do more. And this support they are going to give war, they're going to give government, is welcome. Because it is not only benefiting Uganda Wildlife Authority, it's not only benefiting whatever, but it is a mutual benefit for the communities around the park, as I've told you, that once these communities, once you put electric fence in place, the mutual benefit is here. UWA animals will be safe. So tourism will thrive. The animal population will increase in those areas. But also on the side of the local communities, they will benefit at household level, because that's the most important socio-economic development, at household level.
Total Energies EP Uganda bashagikira okukora kw'emihanda etwire neeteganisa abarambuzi omunda y'irindiro ry'enyamiishwa.
Within about 5 years from now, we should have supported OA to rehabilitate a lot of these tracks and then also look at new tracks that we should have developed within between now and the 5 years. But tourism development and support will run for the life of the project, because provided we are inside the park, we really want to ensure that we are supporting OA and other tourism partners.
Before we used to have problems, hard time with tourists, and this road used not to be passable. It was in a bad state.
Habireho no kushagika Uganda Wildlife Authority okutaho urwo rw'amashanyarazi mu nsharo ya district ya Burisa n'irindiro ry'enyamiishwa.
In Masindi side, there is also electric fence ongoing. That will also cover up to Kiriandongo. We have electric fence construction in Kiriandongo. We have electric fence construction in Masindi. And in Bulis it's also ongoing.
David Ochada nagira ngo eby'obuhangwa ebindi nk'eminyongororwa ebisangarana emishwa n'ebindi nabyo birinzirwe. David Ochada wa biodiversity ona nagira ngo n'amatara go barukwejonesa tigari kuteganisa nyamiishwa.
All our equipment plus vehicles, you'll be seeing them with specific colors. We call them ochre gray colors.
Ogu nagira ngo emisheke kuza kuruganuya okuraba hamugera gwa Nairo kuza kwegitira mu irundaniro ry'amajuteri ya Burisa okuza kabaro mu ruhoyima nabaza kugira byo kuzumu ahantango y'omugera. Uganda ryo muhururu yo kurebangwa amajuta gashohora umwaka gw'2026 hatabireho kushisha by'obuhangwa. Gashakwa Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.
Webare Ambrose Katoto bwanyuma y'akacikwa ka tribunal ahabwa NRM okuca mu akarora kishaza erya Rubabo kagarukwemu ombyaro mukaga abatezi bakaruru bino kwerarukira abwe mivuyo eyorekerere okubaho aba nibagira ngo batandikire no kubatera obwakaruru katakatandikire.
NRM tribunal okuchwa mungwa karuru ka Rubabo kagarukwemu ombyaro mukaga no kwijaho bwanyuma ya Bobo Rugonde omumbo babire besimbira hantebe yo munyishenjera habwishaza rya Rubabo okuhakanise byarugiro mu karuru obwaro kuhakanise obusinguzi bwa Mathias Mweso gwa Rwabugumi obwa hati bamwe mu batura no bagira ngo haruho abatandikire kubatera obwa karuru katakatandikire kandi abantu bomesereza bahagize ba Bobo Rugonde
inama ayinese
kwayizire naza kuntera yanjye ati nuko watote cyane cya Masiyasi kandi abarugonde nito turya tati nyeka nundi ukagera tunakora mushango ki ati kiteka hasi ntikuchita atono chita ntikuchita atayenkoni yo kubanza atero umukono gubego kwise cyane isharara ekishani kirekura kukigwa antere ndijo antereje engiji kwantereje
abashija bija batutera wena tindeho umu dashashu umu wena tindeho na gemera tingine benu no kuyikwatirira
cyane nishaba kunyeza security abantu bita bamwe babatire babaseremtwe konkanisha bamutereza security tutera kanguru ko businguzi niho rero
Mathias Rwabugumi owakwasire bendere ya NRM nagira ngo abantu ba Bobo Rugonde batandikire kureta hwembera mbi omubantu
ugumize mo y'ibirugendo y'ibiri ruling yagaruka ngo garuko mu bantu boshaba karuru bakakwereze umushana kunkano kimwe nguturu kwenda gukora ki ukabonayo nico rukureba Orion waremesa ngo akaruka tabo okutandika kuteka ho kutinatinisa no kusindika abantu bo kutera abantu nkanyomwazo yitwe turi omuri Rugarama ahasindikire miyayi yabanyisize njayi ahira marwa bakija kututera ngo tutagamba n'abantu bakabate mitwe ogwe no mwebembezi ki ninga shini chereka ki abantu abo turukwenda kwebembera
tushikirire Bob Rugonde uri gutekatekwaho kuba rye nyuma y'emivuyeji kandi ibintu byo yatugambira
tinkamanyire na program ya NRM reka twikirize mu zo kurunda karu tubakatire roadmap konka masi yasware nagira ngo unteire narashaba hagize banje batire abahagize be arete kirip ahari hamu aharare erkoreka abahagize banje nabatera be then tubone ku discussing echeche konka cyashitari yecho nyona nshangu rwabugumi arekeraho koze season ari yanje kubi arekeraho gukora ibintu bitine facts arekeraho okweyendeza akarenzya kandi akashishana n'ikibina cyitu cya henari
Wilberforce Ngoma himbisubwe umuhezi wa RDC abwa district ya Rukunziri yarabura bubona abarye nyuma y'ubwiye mucero okurya norurya kandi yaraganisa okureba ngo businje bwarindwa mu district ezi na munonga ombyaro mukaga wa karuru karukuza kugarukwamo omwishaze rya Rubabo
so ebintu byukanga kanga byukora ki omuntu wono rabyijumbirumu agatera umuhazi w'abandi tuzakwikiriza amateka nikakora urwawe so nyine ngenda gutera umuranga abantu ba Buyanja n'ahandi n'ibya mukaga ibiro bizagaruka makaru muhumure byona twabimanyire kandi umurimo gwito kasicyote no kubako
akaruraka nakaza kugarukwamo ombyaro nkanyakiju Rwere Rugarama Rusharara Rwenkurijo omugombora ya Buyanja hamwe na n'ecyare cya Nyamambo omureke bisoni kandi izuba ryo katerera makaruraka tarekamanyirwe
18 19 abiri
amakuru agagasha kwa Dan Basibye
Webade Dan Basibye tugumiza munagacenshire ba chairman ba NRM okurgo mu magomborera mukaga n'abajwecerwa ba NRM Youth League okurga omurindo rwa West bashabire Minister David Bahati ogaruka akesimba omukaruru kabona atine kibina okushaba kwabo nukwija obwanyuma ya Minister Bahati okusingwa omukarura ko kwate bendera ya NRM ogarukusingwa ekiab na tulinda mporerwa
ebigambirwe obabire nibabuganaho Minister David Bahati omurutaya yorubire a office za Ministry y'ebyobushubuzi omuri Kampala kandi orubire rugenderire okumushaba kugaruka kwesimba atine kibina cyona cyo byobutegeki
turakushaba ngo yise abo kubahine binje byo biroyorekerire okutumaliriza kandi bitakahwire ngano watusiga mu mingi turasigara turi nkeshoberwa
office yitu ya Kabare yona kajifanishinga yajitame biretagize bwene uko ubwo titwoyenzire ngo tugire ki tumurekure kandi twamubwine ari gukora by'amani
aba bagira ngo Minister Bahati bakimwine mu bwesije okumalira ebyabire yatandikire omurindo rwa West
chairman wetu w'ekibina cya Kabale district honorable Minister David Bahati abwo kututaya yisa kandi shabangu abanyakabale mureke tutari kure kitwa kwase akwa minister n'umuntu president atere mu bwesije enyaka minji munonga aratuhereza kandi aratukoreraje
bwanyuma Minister Bahati agirize kushaba kwabo
nayenda kubahamiza ngo mwasindika orotami tubaza turebe ngo twarinda ebirunji ebitwakwasire so mwe bare munonga kandi mwagaruka yo Kabale turaza kuba turija mu biro birije okongera hareki
omugandi owasingira karuru k'eminyeto aha bwihanga ryona nagira ngo kusinga kwe kuriya hamazima n'uburinganisa ebigambo bye nibyije aho bwanyuma yo kutungwa mwaka kumu ngo akaruru ke tikari mu mazima na buringanisa
Team Tanga yawangude with 1,567 votes. Tanga Collins. Chichoncho Brenda. Neba tano. Bafunye obululu 10,555. Babade batano nebegata. Babade mukaga abatano nebagata kuomu. Nebabera ne Chichoncho Brenda nga agendo bachikirira. Against Tanga Collins, your female officer, and Tumukuba. Difference yo bululu bwabade 200 bibiri bibiri kumi na biri. That's 212 votes. My guys, this election was won free and fair.
Eminyeto ekarangira hakedimo bwanyuma yo kurangirwa kwa Tanga Collins wali mutabani wa Tango Doi chairman w'ebyo kuteza karuru omu NRM bari kugira ngo obusinguzi bwe tuburi mu mazima.
Dr. Tango Doi teyabaze kalulu kano nchidamu eyo video etambula ya Chiwani nga Chiwani cha Bobby nga Chiwani cha Nup eyo video etambula Chiwani edited, and I can assure you Tanga Collins won through a vote that was counted by Commissioner Chinobe. A progressive vote, progressive economy, progressive agriculture, progressive PDM,
amakuraga gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.
Webare Jime Muhumuza twaza kumuraho tugaruka.
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona Agacencwire tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara City okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti 7 mukaga atano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako ha mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
umugisha gwitu nk'abanyambarara n'ababurengero izoba twena Glory Salvation Church ahansi yobuhereza bwa ayibazi bwa Ministries International nibeta abantu mwena okwiza umukushirira rahanga witakira kuboneka nshangwa muri complex upper hall opposite na Moonlight Restaurant High Street Mbarara okushaba kwitubura Sunday kurofutandika na shahi biri kwikashahina urgashahina kwikashaha mushanju mwije tushirira ruhanga mwize n'abarwire n'abazingazingirwe sitani Kristo wita abakomorori Yesu Kristo takahindukaga ngo kuyabirari na hato nukwakiri ukumanye bikukiraho tere sumweje 078 Yesu Kristo wito murungi akurinzire akutegerize akukomorre akwamagara amaso Yesu Kristo akumugisha gwamana
Chibaya Youth Development Sacco aba kugom kurwanisa obworo okubika sente hamwe no kuhereza loan za hanshaji nche bakuretera voluntary savings, group savings, institutional savings hamwe na junior savings, direct agriculture loans, bakwinire business loans, agriculture loans, border loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, home improvement loans hamwe na women and youth empowerment loans. Bashanja muri Stagata Trading Center Kayo Mbara City ahitaje rukuru bina matajo muruti koranoria hamwe na Nyamitanga ebiri kuciraho za website www.chibayayouthsacco.co.ug ninga tera note 2 ninga note 3 Chibaya Youth Development Sacco, Unity and Development.
Banyita Kemishamir Kamahoro wa Complete Medical Clinic Kazo nyenda kusima buheza bwa Fresh Solar Uganda itutukuza kutandika Fresh Solar Uganda kagira challenge nyingi amashanyarazi usanga amashanyarazi mugarikaho nigagenda bwa yisebyoma konka kurganije ko machine zanje ninde bazona zirije kurinteri je aho abarwire bakwiziraniye mbakoraho so ni cyabangu ndiyari mugumizemo uhereza mutereze
mweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyinamaka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora amagoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti munana noti hashatu na mukaga hatanu na mushanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha Musei kwa badomu rwa katori kundongozina
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi katyebule mutoro okolola okotyongoka kwata kano
Musei kano bakayita batya
Pineapple Chauda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutoro va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi
kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
iye naye nenfuno w'amaanyi butamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu nitwakira omuri rwa Mbarasuts omwanya gw'obugwaje n'obuteka omuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall ey'omutindo gwa higuru n'ebyo kwejunisa omu nkiko nka projectors n'okurira ekitongore n'oyenda omwanya gw'okukoreramu za semina board meetings n'ebindi omwanya ni rwa Mbarasuts conference center tuyina ebishenge by'okuraramu eby'omutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara y'omutindo restaurant n'aba chef baronje munonga nitushangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mushanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mukaga 48 ninga noti mushanji 5 noti 1 3 nshanji 4
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband Komore tukunywa cyakabozi multivitamin drink Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi Kireta amana masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi Nendijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink Otuntumure cyubaro na stress Echo kunywa cyakabozi multivitamin drink Nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited Chamibwa UNBS kandi churuho mbipimo bya milliliters 320 Omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya biri kuciraho 0 2 15 91 01
Agacencwire ekitongole kya National Renewable Energy Platform bakwatanise na Ministry y'Obuhangwa n'obugega bw'omwitaka batandikire huriro y'okwegesa abantu okuba okubasa kuhindura aha mitwarize eyibari kukozesa omu kuteeka omumaka gabo abantu bagira ngu omwiko guri kurwa munku ogumizamu okurwaza abantu omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe omu ihanga
abahango ku rwego Ministry y'Obuhangwa bwensi n'ekitongole kya National Renewable Energy Platform nibagira ngo kigendererwa cyabo no kwenda ngo abantu bahindura amateekateekere n'emitwarize yabo ubwo bari kurinda eby'obuhangwa kutari kutema emiti bari kwihama amakara.
Renewable Energy Platform is an organization that is a tripod organization that brings together. It's like a tripartite organization that brings together the Ministry of Energy, the government, the financiers, and also the private stakeholders.
Okuchondoza okukozerwa National Renewable Energy Platform nukoreka ngo abantu bari kurenga nkaga nabafa buri mwaka abo kwisyo mwiko gukurwa munku.
Already there is research that about 23,000 people die per year from using these traditional cooking methods. From the fuels that are coming from the traditional cooking methods. That is about 64 people per day that are dying.
Ubwate ekitongole kino kyegesa abantu okuba kubasa kukoresa emiringo endijo kuteeka batokize makara.
We have apart from the electric pressure cookers that we have, there are other several technologies that are out there that is the ethanol cook stoves. Ethanol is the amount, it's like fuel, it's like fuel that is got from plants. It's manufactured. It is manufactured from sugar cane, maize.
Eji machine bacha kunyekora shini zingaye na atari. Wanji? When echa machipu nichi. Kugura machine y'emtwara atano. Ekakutechera ukarema bihabya bishishikara. Dani kusiba bishuka omukazi asiba mu mushozi araronda.
abebembeza bwa district isinjiro nibagira ngo nk'abebembezi bagerezaho kurwana so kushisha by'ubuhangwa nko kosye bishara nebera bito muzo gucuruho
traditional abantu ndibikirizo mukosi abo kuba kosya ebinyansi ninga ibindi bateka ngo bikwijana na ebimusabirije kokiri imyaka yene of course chikakira kubi
no mwazo no mukasheshe no baraka sakini neza tuzokuganira no kumanyisa imbera yes ekindi hindurire n'emirimo yitu kabandi
abatura hatani bashabo kurikireze biro kwegesubwa ebyenderiro kurwana so kutekesenku namakara ebiro kurugamo mu ikuguru kutegana samagara gabantu
niyo ninyirukaniza hali nimbone cyukuri konga byanguze tuteka bana deni tibari kigana gambana cyabajungu bakamanya okusevinga bantu tweje okusevinga ekintu kisevinga muvurikize cyo kuyana amashomesi units zitwara kana kantu kake muno
waba noteka urukoza pressure ku keji ni namasuku kugira ngo umuntu kubana ubugamo kuba kutakuzana yitase free
gasha kwa Felix Nduhura
tugumizamo namakuru ekitongole cha Raising the Village bahere abatura omuri kisoro embiboze mondi kubasa kubahwero kurwanisa enjara no kongera entasya y'amakagabo
abantu 13 nibo bahirwe embibo y'emondi ebihimba hamwe na n'urwezo.
Our DRDC, we are working with 745 households omuri Kagaramayona with a population of 3,394 people. So on average no shanga oburihega binema abantu batano. So abo bantu bona tubinire budget. So ebyo mwareba haha n'ikikabire na kimu 10 ekebintu byo tukuza kubahisyaho.
Abahirwe embibo bashomesibwe kubine okwebikira kurunji bakongera entase y'amakagabo.
Raising the village twine kugisima munonga aho kubayo enkora yayo niyo mutamu
abantu binje tukabatine bwe basisa konke kitongore cha Raising the Village cyajire cyatusimura twagira ubuyonjo makagitu batwombekera mutanyata twatunga gina twatunga za kamina ndungi n'abikirikana kamina meno hatiya batwongera n'embibo eyo bihimba nemondi kugira ngo tuhinge tweze twena tutunguke twegese n'abana bito mu mashomero twena tubeje.
Agure bandebaho mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu ahabwa hamhambo town council na yenda bahirwe embibo okuzkwataje bakabura kuzirya.
So mwenu Raising the Village ebibahandikire mu nibenda kukorera muri rubanda byona bari kubikiriza kandi umubwire so mwenu twine kubasima munonga abo kureba bari kuturetera ibintu by'amani ebyo kureta wentunguka mubaterero munga
babahirwe embibo basimire Raising the Village okubahembibo
nashanga ruhanga yanjye taba batunga icyo kubanza cya Jona obuyonjo mu maka icyakabiri entasya ninga kutunga icyo kujya mu makagabo icyakashatu okwatanisa ninga hari saving component ya saving
amakuru agagasha kwa keta tuzarirwe
webareke tatuzarirwe abebembezi babeji okurwo mu mashomero garukutedeka abazarisa n'abananso kurwo mu ihanga ryona nibenda government ebase kushijuma obukwakurizo obu barukubataho baba nibenda kongerayo emishomo yabo kuruga harurengo okuza aharundi.
Ebi babigambo mu mushomo gw'ebiro 3 ogwahendererizo mu Rembo Fort Patrol omushomo gwetabirwa mabembezi babeja bari kushoma buzarisa n'ubunansi okurwa mu matendekero gono mu ihanga
jukira customer na flomo kuva wano
okumala ebbanga lyabwe nga liweddeyo afunye certificate ye ya nursing oba midwifery afunye diploma ye oba bachelors ye tumusuubira okugenda eyo okutandika okuweereza eggwanga agenda kusanga embeera eziri challenging agenda kusanga ebisomezebwa bingi abalwadde abagumumu ng'era w'obimanyi so ffe essaawa zino tubaleeta abamu ku bo of course tetuleeta abaana bonna tuleeta abakulembeze baabwe ne tubabangula mu nsonga ezo such that basobola okuddayo eri nabo ne bongera okulambula bannaabwe.
Omushomo ogutebekanisibwa aba Uganda National Association of Student Nurses and Midwives ne general kyokutendeka bebembezi abo mby'obutegeki
training oba okete okutendekwa kwa bebembezi nikituyambaho muno kusanga naitwe twina abantu betukoleraho abebembezi so abatukonyeraho kugamba kwekaguzaho so tukwa twizire mu kutendekwa nka kuno kwabe kulembezi kikuyambaho naye kuongeza hakukodyo oba amagezi gokwebembera abantu.
Tuyina ekizibu nti the time of experience we are given whereby we have five semesters and we go for our clinical placement no sanga nga experience we are given a lot of experience kati naye atela wetuvaayo like nga course ewedde ne wesanga nga batugambye and we have to have other 2 experiences. Ekyo kizibu nnyo gye tuli era nga tusaba gavumenti etuyambe ku ekyo bakendeze ku budde bwa experience eyo.
Ensonga y'ekibiina ky'olukola ebigezo byabo okuguma nikibongezeyo buli kiiro balukubahi n'ekigezo kibagwire nakyo ngo nikibateganisa munonga.
That is the UH pub now. They are being stopped from finalizing their course. When they fail one paper in their semi-final year, they push them back. So that is one of the challenges.
During recruitment, the number of nurses and midwives that are being recruited compared to the number of the nurses and midwives that are being enrolled yearly is very low.
Oruka Emmanuel, president w'ekigombe eki nagira ngu ihiroho ebizibu barikurabamu gavumenti nebakwatiraho mu kibiina kyabo okureba ngu emirimo yabo yagenda omu maisho.
We are going to be helping the needy, especially in hospitals and communities, and we need support. We can't do it alone. Our financial stand, we don't have any donor. We depend entirely on the student money, which is small.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.
Webale Jonan Singwire twaza kumuraho twije n'amakuru hagevye mizano.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Welcome to Africa's Sunday Best. We're serving a feast of your favorites. Start with the bold drama of Kampala Creme. What? Followed by the sparkling flair of Home of Our Stars.